So welcome to this first video of many. The intention here is to kind of show you how corrections can be done on articles and other modules that are found on the CMFI website. So here we're going to go to the ztfministry.org website, which will definitely be the same as cmfionline.org once we are done. So like I said, the intention here is really to show you how article corrections can be done, and hopefully this will help those of you who have so kindly opted to help us do the various corrections that are needed on the site. I'll presume that you have an account that you have created on the website and that your account is active. Also, I'll presume that your account is turned into an editor or publisher account. If that is not the case, please inbox me on WhatsApp and I will definitely upgrade your account to a publisher account. If your account is not a publisher and you would like to help us do this, please again contact me, and it will be a pleasure to help you. So again, thank you very much for opting to help us with the corrections. We know the site may be littered with some errors here and there, and for you to opt to help us to do the correction while we concentrate on other matter is really a blessing. So again, thank you very much, and may the Lord bless you as you contribute along with us to achieving something for the Lord. So without further ado, so let's just go into it. So basically you need to start out by going to www.ztfministry.org, and once you're there, you're gonna have the login and log out button over here. So just log in. Once you're logged in, then you have this page that will appear to you. Your preferred language will most likely be English. For those of you who speak French, I've made another video for the French, and so if you would like that, I can definitely send you the link to that video. So once you're logged in, so you want to choose the appropriate language. English is the default language, so you don't have to worry about setting the language for you. If you're using a different language, obviously you want to choose that language. We thank the Lord for Brother Alexis, who has opted to help us translate the site into Polish, and we hope to see a Polish version of the website very soon. So here I'll show you how to modify or correct an article. The articles are found under the menu. So you have here About Us. You have 5 articles under About Us. So you can just click there and then have access to that article. Each one of those links is basically an article that you can correct or you can change as you please. Now, let's say I would like to change an article. Let's say I would like to change or make a modification on the CMFI, the movement article. So I'm going to open the article. Once the article is open, then I have this gear button that appears on the top over here. Now with that gear button, I can just click on there, and then I'll have the edit button. Now, if your account is not an editor account, you're not going to see this button down there. You will see print and then email, but you're not going to see the edit button. So that should be a clue for you that your account needs to be upgraded into an editor account, or that maybe it wasn't done properly. So again, if that is the case, just inbox me, and then I will be happy to upgrade your account. So You click on edit. Once you've clicked on edit, the article will be presented to you, but in a totally different format. So you can see here that I have a different format for the article, and here you can therefore do the changes that you need to do in or make in the article. So you can change something. Let's say, for example, I come here and say, oh, that was a mistake, so I put an S there, and then so you can do all the changes that you would like to do in the text. We will have to come up with a way to take note or keep log of the changes that are made in an article, such that when somebody doesn't come and then change things just at random. But we trust that you are responsible enough to know what to change and what not to change. What we are mainly looking at here is a change in the text. So if there's a mistake in the language, then just fix the language. But any other change that goes beyond just the change in the text, then please let us know. If you feel maybe an idea that is presented, the content, not the form of the text. If the content is something that you think needs to be redone, then in that case, please contact us, because some of these things are beyond our own ability to change. So we'll have to go through the right channels in order to be able to do those kind of changes. But if it is just a language, a typo correction, then that's fine. Go right ahead and do that correction. If you're not sure, please, again, you can either contact me or contact Brad Gordon, and we'll be glad to tell you exactly what to do in that case. So that's how you change the text. So it's a Word, as you can see, it's a Word. It's like a Word document that you're changing. You have almost all the options of Microsoft Word here. So let's see if I want to make this bold. So I will select that. If I click on bold, you see it's become bold. So it's just exactly the same as Microsoft Word. If you did a change and you like to come back and maybe undo that change, you can definitely click on the button, just like in Microsoft Word, this button over here, and you undo the change that you've made. Once you've done everything, you can preview your changes, and so the article will present itself in a way that it will appear on the site, and therefore you can see the changes that you've made and how they will appear on the site. There's another option here, is the code view. Now this is a more advanced way of editing the article. Now it's only for those who know a little bit of HTML or CSS. If those names sound strange to you, then don't worry about it. Just stick to the editor and then the preview, and you'll be fine. So that will be it for changing articles. The procedure is exactly the same for all articles. So you can look at the images, but this again, it doesn't really concern most of you. So just stick on the content and do the changes in the editor, and then preview. Once you've done all that, then you save. So don't forget to save, because if you don't save, your changes will not appear on the server itself. So you save your changes, and then once you've saved your changes, you can see your changes appearing on the server. So that's it for the correction of articles. And again, I thank you very much for again your availability to do this. We are very grateful, and may the Lord bless you.